You have a McLaren, we'd love to detail it for free for you.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yeah, really, for sure. 100% for free. TikTok.
I'm down.
Yeah, let's do it. Hey, grab me the little bro.
Baby, will you stay? Everything you do is a make-believe. Loving you's a crime, and I'm on your without you, I become weary. And without your touch, I become so
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the final result of the detail. If you guys want to watch more content like this, like, share, comment, be sure to watch the next episode.
Hi, how are you?
We're good.
Good. I wanted to swing by. We noticed the G-Wagon out here. We own a car detailing business. So we're already here. I mean, might as well, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Lines.
We noticed your GT3 RS. We'd love to detail it for free.
There's no charge to me?
No charge at all. We'll do it 100% for free.
Alright, I got a little time.
Okay, thank you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be working on this Porsche.
Nice. I feel like I have to take it somewhere.
Right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the final result for the interior. Let's check out the exterior. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final result for today's detail. If you love this type of content, like, share, comment, and if you want your vehicle featured in our next video, please DM us. Catch you on the next episode.